Welcome back to the Project and Materials YouTube channel. If you want to access additional updates and tutorials on project writing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. In our previous video we discussed on the summary outline for Chapter 5 Project Writing. Now, let us proceed with the next outline. Conclusions in research are the final statements that summarize the findings of a study. They provide an overall summary of what was discovered during the course of the research and can be used to draw conclusions about future studies or applications. Conclusions should be based on evidence from data collected throughout the study, as well as any relevant literature review. The conclusion should also include implications for further research and potential practical applications. It is important to note that conclusions should not introduce new information, rather, they should simply restate existing facts in order to make them more clear and concise. The conclusion for Chapter 5 of your project writing is required of you to highlight the major findings of your research and the inferences made from them. Example: recall that in the background of the study for Chapter 1, we introduced a topic on the effect of social media on human relationships. In conclusion, it is assumed that the study's findings suggest a dual impact of social media on human relationships. A substantial portion of respondents perceived social media as having a positive influence, fostering connections and enhancing communication among individuals. However, a significant number also acknowledged a negative impact on relationships due to social media use. It's evident that social media exerts both positive and negative effects on human relationships. While it facilitates connections and communication, the adverse effects tend to overshadow the positive aspects. Despite aiding in connecting individuals and enabling them to share experiences, social media's negative repercussions are noteworthy. It has been observed that the proliferation of misinformation and misleading content on social platforms contributes to strained relationships and conflicts among users. In essence, social media plays a dual role in shaping human relationships. While it fosters connectivity and facilitates sharing, the prevalence of misinformation and divisive content can significantly strain relationships and lead to conflicts among individuals. Remember, conclusion provides an overall summary of what was discovered during the course of the research and can be used to draw conclusions about future studies or applications. Conclusions should be based on evidence from data collected throughout the study, as well as any relevant literature review. The conclusion should also include implications for further research and potential practical applications. In our next video we shall discuss on recommendations outline for Chapter 5 Project Writing. Remember to share and recommend this video to your friends for project writing insight.